Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your power washing needs, the YAMATIC kink-resistant pressure washer hose. If you're serious about keeping your outdoor spaces pristine, this hose is an absolute game-changer, especially if you own a Ryobi Power Washer. This isn't just any hose, it's designed to handle up to 3,200 psi, making it ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks around your home. From cars to driveways and decks. Let's talk about what sets this hose apart. First off, its kink-resistant design means you won't waste time entangling knots. The material is lightweight yet durable, ensuring easy handling without compromising on strength. Whether you're using a gas or electric pressure washer, this hose fits most models, including Ryobi, Troy-Bilt, and many others in the market. The solid brass fittings ensure a secure connection that won't leak or loosen, even under pressure. Now, let's break down why customers love it. It's not just about the specs, it's about practicality. The YAMATIC hose is easy to maneuver, thanks to its flexibility and manageable weight. Plus, it's designed to withstand temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can work confidently in various conditions. Compared to standard hoses, this one offers superior performance without the drawbacks of traditional rubber hoses. It's built to last and maintain consistent water flow, ensuring efficient cleaning every time. Rest assured, if you're unsure whether it fits your washer, YAMATIC provides excellent customer support to help you out. And with a 30-day return policy, there's no risk if it doesn't meet your expectations. Oh, and did I mention the 10% discount coupon available right now? It's a great opportunity to snag this already affordable hose at an even better price. So, whether you're tackling tough grime or just need a reliable hose for regular maintenance, the YAMATIC kink-resistant pressure washer hose is hands down one of the best options out there, especially if you're a Ryobi user. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy cleaning.